There you are, still in our bed again. He always does this. I always come in and he's always in my bed. He's just... Guess where we are. Again.
What time is it?
2:30. I can't see my watch. We're fine, we're not that late. I know all of the vlogs look like we're always at doctor's appointments. It's because we kinda are.
Like a bird on a tree.
Last time it was movie Up. This time it's The Lion King. It's not even 2:34 yet. We've been here. No. Well, he shut his eyes just as you said that. They're kind of open. Hey.
I'm just sitting here.
Don't worry, Micah. We came surprised. I mean,
Prepared.
prepared. That's the word. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum.
Hey girl, 1 inch.
I got time.
What are you doing?
It's clear to see.
Yeah, little something. Yeah. Hi. He's got some big eyes, doesn't he? He's got
Yeah,
some
he
great
does.
looking eyes. Jewels, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they basically like figured all out around 2 months that kind of shifts around where it should be for most kids. So cool.
Mm.
What do you think is like the biggest challenge in the? You know, is there anything that's particularly bothersome for you guys, or are you okay? Look at you. You died. Looking really good. Reason not crying. That's
From up
awesome.
here,
Yeah.
the world.
So we get home, and look who's on our bed. Again. It's a whole lot of bull.
That is so cute.
She saw a bulldog and she says it's cute, but I think it's ugly. Maritza, you have the key.
World seems small. We can sit.
Let's finish this some bull. Work! I don't make any money at... Can't find the damn restaurant I'm supposed to go to. It's not here.
Go.
Bruh. Found it. Okay, you go in. You gotta practice going in. Hi! In 3.4 hours, 47.22.
Not bad.
Before I go to bed, I have something very cool to show you. If I can find it. His social security card came in. His little Micah Elijah came in. It's so cool.
It's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.